Hello everyone! Today, I'll show you how to use the Gantt Chart by Placker Power-up with your Trello boards. This powerful tool will help you spot bottlenecks in your project timeline, connect tasks for smoother transitions between phases, and manage deadlines more effectively with a clear big picture view. Your Gantt view shows cards in the left column with timelines on the right representing each card's start and due dates. This instantly gives you insight into your project schedule. You can enhance your planning in several ways. Create dependencies between related cards to show task relationships, change the layout to group and sort cards differently for alternative perspectives, manage multiple projects, loading them all at once at the scope bar, generate PDFs to share with stakeholders by clicking export, see the workload per member per month in the resource planner, and notice that dependencies and Gantt attributes are also visible on the Trello card back, and you can make changes there as well. First, enable the Gantt Chart by Placker Power-up on your Trello board. Click the rocket icon in the top right corner to access power-ups, then Add Power-ups to see what's available. In the search bar, type Gantt Placker. Here it is. Click Add, and then Add again on the confirmation. Now that we've added the power-up, there is a compass icon in the Trello menu. Click it, agree to the terms, then sign up for Placker, granting all the necessary permissions. If at any time you accidentally close the setup window, just click the compass icon again and proceed with importing the board. Once imported, you'll see an icon with 3 horizontal bars in the Trello menu. Click it, then select Open in Browser to work on the full screen. The Gantt Chart by Placker Power-up transforms your Trello board into a powerful project management tool. If you need help, click the chat icon in the lower right corner. You can also find help and support buttons at the Power-up home menu. Thanks for watching.